feel like I have so many.
Gosh, it's just like
I'm so tired. I feel like blah. Can we redo this again?
Oh my gosh, I'm already struggling to sit up straight.
I'll make it faster. I'll make it
Okay,
faster.
can I do it? Can I just do it?
Yeah.
Hello, people of the internet. Welcome back. This is not my channel. It's my mom's channel, and I am starting it off with my intro. So, today we are doing another edition of Mother vs. Daughter, Sephora Play Edition. We've already done this intro twice now. Mom wanted to redo it again, so I'm doing it for her, and this is just how it's going to be. So, basically, what Sephora Play is it is a monthly subscription box where you get it once a month. It's $10 a month. It is curated to your... I thought you were showing our address, and I was like, what are you doing? It is curated to your
profile.
And your profile. You put in all of what you like, what your hair type is, what your hair color is, what your skin tone is, what your skin type is, your preferences, all that jazz. $10 a month. You get like 5, typically they're travel / mini size samples sent to you. And yeah.
I'm not feeling that good, by the way.
Yeah.
Happy Monday, even though it's Thursday.
Okay. Muscles.
Yeah.
Muscles!
Oh, my back has a hole in it. Okay. By the way, guys, make sure to check the description box down below for Hailey's channel, as well as there are 2 giveaways going on right now, so you don't want to miss that, but wait till the end of the video to check it out.
There's 6 items.
Oh, I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Wait, do we have the same bag? Boys, we got the same
They
bag.
failed us again?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Sephora.
Okay, well, here's the thing. We have completely opposite profiles.
Yeah.
Obviously not just skin tone, but texture as well.
And like, I'm more dry. She's combo. My hair is darker and also green right now.
We had this happen, what, 2 months ago?
I don't know.
Okay, so did you get the Daisy Love?
Yeah, we literally got the same bag.
Oh my goodness.
Like, down to a T, like everything.
What are you doing, Sephora?
I don't know. Apparently I'm not reading profiles this month.
Yeah, I'd say not. So,
I keep dropping my bag.
oh, that smells really good. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love perfume sample. I don't know why I'm trying to show you guys up close, because I don't like to.
Those are great to keep in your car or to try. Wait, can we do this next? Because I want to take this out, because this has 2 things in one in here.
Oh, snap.
This is the Drunk Elephant Sally Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. It's a strawberry or a kiwi strawberry seed blend. So that you have, and it also came with this bamboo booster exfoliant, which feels like it's a powder. And this is like a good
mix them.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody got this in PR. This is actually a decent size.
Yeah, this is like a really good size sample, and it's not like one with a little bubble under it where it's like half
you're right.
full. It's like she heavy.
She thick. Okay, sorry.
You just said it so loud I couldn't laugh. Like it was like my eardrum was like, and I was like, ah. Yeah, we're both so out of it. I'm so sorry to everyone watching this video. I hope you can stay till the end. If you can, you deserve an award.
Yeah. I have no words. I'm like, yeah. Okay. So yeah, you use this the bamboo booster 1 to 2 times a week. But it's like an exfoliant. But like I was saying, somebody was only using this, but they said it was like night and day when you put these together.
But you're only supposed to put them together
1 to 2 times per week, apparently.
Oh.
So I guess this is kind of like a Clinique Take the Day Off bomb, I'm assuming.
Well, speaking of Clinique Take the Day Off, we got a little mini. I honestly don't think I really like this Clinique Take Off the Day Makeup Remover Liquid because it's really oily and it makes my skin just feel gross.
Oh, I don't use it on my, I can't use it on my skin. I use it only on my eyeballs.
How do you rub your eyes without it?
I don't, I go, well, I mean, I just go like this.
Oh, you hold it.
Yeah, and then I lightly like,
maybe I've been doing it wrong this whole time.
Did you use it as a makeup, oh, it says, oh wait, makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips.
Yeah.
You didn't use it all over your face, right? Okay,
I didn't, but I would go like this, and then it would just, my eyes would just feel like heavy.
Yeah.
Oily.
Yeah, no, I just let it sit for a second and gently. What is this one?
This is a good pot too.
Wow.
It's the Kiehl's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask.
see if,
Ooh,
will it?
It's an overnight mask, which are my favorite because if you're lazy like me, you just put it on after you wash your face and you leave it on overnight. Oh my goodness.
And it firms, though. We love a good firming moisturizer.
Ooh, it smells pretty good.
Yeah, like rose or something. Like a spa. It smells like a spa. Or that Elemis mask that I got in Boxycharm. Will this focus? There's no way we're going to go 2 for 2. Oh, snap. She focused. That's a really good size, too, of the Clinique.
Yeah, that's like, and it's TSA friendly, right?
Oh, I bet it is.
Yeah. Perfect for traveling,
Yep,
especially if you
1
like
ounce.
that stuff. That's why I love subscription bags. Everything that comes in them, like, you know, like Ipsy and Sephora is perfect to just throw in your bag and travel with. So then we got the Claudelli Paris.
Yeah, I never say that
I
right.
don't know.
Let me get up close.
Skin perfecting serum.
Ignore the fact that I did screw up.
Ooh, sunburn alert. This product contains alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and partially the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using
Because
this
it has
product.
the AHA
And
in
for a
it.
week afterwards. For a week after you use this, you have to limit sun exposure. I literally went cross-eyed reading that. I'm losing my mind.
I feel like this nude lipstick that we got, it's in the shade Grace.
You didn't even say where it was by. It's from Bite Beauty.
Oh,
and
sorry.
Bite Beauty lipsticks are the best. And my lipstick's off by now, so I'm going to put mine on.
So again, let's ignore this. This would be Rhonda got lazy, forgot she had it on. This was not the gloves doing the application process. It was like...
Just not paying attention. I'm just missing a spot.
Yeah. And I sleep like this, so it's even a wonder I don't have like funkiness on my face because I went all out. This is my glam makeup for you guys today. Just joking. I have like literally bronzer and mascara on.
Do you like my lipstick?
Yeah, it's really natural looking. It's pretty.
I like it. I like it a lot.
So what are your thoughts on this bag?
I really like it. I am a little disappointed we did get the exact same thing. Especially, like, considering 3 of the items are skincare. Like, it would have been one thing if it was, like, all, like, mascaras and lipsticks and, like, a blush or bronzer or something. But, like, it's a lot of skincare. So, it's... Unless these are, like, curated for everyone, for every skin type, that's kind of like... so,
that's true.
Let us know if you guys got the same... items in your bag, or if Sephora just got a little lazy this month and was just giving everyone the same stuff.
Because I'd say I'm not mad about it. I do like the products I got, and I do think even the perfume, I kind of get bummed when I get the perfume samples though. I like the months that we don't get perfume samples.
Yeah.
But I mean, that smells good.
6 items though.
Yeah.
Technically 7 if you want to count this little baggie that came in with the other one.
Oh no, I'm not gonna count that.
Okay, then just 6. Which I thought it was normally 5, so.
Yeah. I mean, I think it was a good bag. I mean, for $10, and it gives you the opportunity to try, like, expensive, high-end brands. So everything was definitely high-end, obviously, because it's coming from Sephora.
And I'm really excited about this Drunk Elephant stuff, because this is, like, the best sample I think I've ever received of anything in my life.
It's a really good size
like,
sample.
It's deluxe, a real deluxe size sample.
Did we show you guys? I don't think so. Again, check out that amazing sunless tan application process. Oh my god, girl. Okay. Alright guys, sorry, I'm like just not feeling fabulous at all today. So I'm gonna go continue drinking some tea and some bone broth.
That's gross.
No, it's good for you. It is, I promise. Anyways, guys, don't forget to check my description boxes down below for Hailey's channel, as well as both of the giveaways that are going on my channel. One is a C Color Cosmetics giveaway, and the other one is a You Can Be palette giveaway. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting our content, or what right?
Are feuding through this, because you know we fight each other during every subscription box.
Unless mom's sick, and then I don't have the energy.
And then we got the same boxes today, so there was no fighting.
Yeah, there's no reason to get mad. Just at Sephora. Okay. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Blink.
Oh, I really feel. Ugh.